So this inevitably happens. We've always got a student that joins late during the trimester, all right? And I've asked him just sit out in the hallway and wait for me to call him in. He's been given no instruction on the table saw. He's gonna come in and I want you to tell him how to make a safe table saw cut. It's gonna be his first practice cut. And let's just tell him we want this thing to be, we'll make it easy. We'll say 4 1/4. 4 1/4 wide. Okay? Point them out these dimensions. Show them how to set the height of the blade. Show them how to set the fence. Tell them to bring the blade height up. Bring the guard down so you're cutting through and cutting through safely. You guys think you can do that?
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. I'll send him in. What's up? My name's Bobby. I'm the new kid here. And I don't know all y'all, but I'm from Spring Lake Park, and I've done all this before. I know everything, but Miller said you guys got to teach me. So he said there's a piece of wood I should use, and I'm gonna cut it on the table saw. Will you guys help me with that? Okay. So, like, what's some of the first things that I got to do around here? Nah, man. I got Bluetooth safety glasses. They'll kick in as soon as that stuff comes at me. Or how about safety squints? You ever hear safety squints? Okay, I'll just do this while I'm cutting. You know, I'm an athlete. I got performance eyelids. Okay, should I use these ones? You know what? I'm just gonna steal his glasses, guys. He leaves them out everywhere. I'm just gonna steal them. All right, is this the board I gotta cut? All right, okay. So, like, how do I do that? Like, do something like this? Nah? What do I gotta use? The fence. The chain link ones? Oh, all right, yeah. I know this, man. I know what you're talking. Okay. Oh, this little gauge right here. Should I just use that? He says 4 1/4 wide. Okay. You guys know how to read tape measure? Maybe I'll check this one right here. It's got all the cheater codes on the bottom. There we go. All right. 4 1/4. Do I go from like inside of the blade? Like down there? Like inside of there? No. From this side.
Right of the blade.
From my right. Ah, that's way easier to think of that. 4 1/4. Okay. Dude, the thing just moved. The fence just moved, guys. Oh, there it's nicer. Okay. Boy, that's kind of tricky. That might take some getting used to. All right. Okay. Excalibur. Cool. Do I really need this thing?
Yes.
All right. Okay. But, like, I don't think the blade's going to cut all the way through. Is it going to cut all the way through? No? This one right here? It's squeaky. Doesn't he ever clean the equipment? Nah, see, I've done this before. Remember I told you? I want it to be way up high, so I'm super cool, and you guys all think I'm super tough. Yeah, that's way cooler. Now, how high is it supposed to be up? Did he say like a specific? Oh. Oh, okay. So he's actually got a, like, dimension. 1/4 inch. How do I fit my tape measure under there? Pinky width. Pinky nail is about 1/4 of an inch. Good. All right. Okay. All right. Woof. That's kind of tight. Is it? I'm a little worried about. Is that just any piece of wood?
Oh, it's lying right there on the table next to a water bottle.
Oh, nice. Take a drink of his water too. Okay, this thing here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not the hand. That's the handle.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. That's the handle. All right. Okay. Guys, I'm getting a little nervous right here. So, like, where do my feet go?
Right front.
Okay.
Against the machine.
Against the machine?
Like,
Okay.
touching the machine.
All right. Ooh, this doesn't quite feel right, guys. I'm a super athlete, if you didn't know. Okay, I'm joining the football team. Coach Vasquez recruited me from Spring Lake Park to come here to play. When I throw my touchdowns, my left foot is forward. So I'm going to have my left foot forward. The kickback, huh? What's a kickback?
If the ball shoots backwards, it's going to hit you in the gonad.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that could happen?
Yeah.
Okay, and what foot should I have forward?
Right.
All right, okay. I'm starting to trust you guys a little bit. Should like the wood be touching the blade when I start it up?
No.
No.
It should be
Why?
kickback.
Oh, it could kick. Oh yeah, I don't want that. Okay. So I'll start it about there. Okay.
No.
I'm texting my mom. Okay.
Oh.
I'm texting my mom. Get off my back.
Oh yeah, I hear it.
Fine. No phones in schools. Okay. Right foot forward. It's like the fence. Do I got to keep the wood against the fence?
Yes.
So I got like a nice smooth edge right here and then a real crumbly, rumbly edge right here. Smooth edge. The one that's like a square
Yeah.
edge against the fence. All right. Okay. So I use the push stick. Watch this. I'm going to do this one hand behind my back. No? What should I do?
You have the arcade like an L.
Like that?
No.
Yeah.
But
Like that. Okay.
you have to move your thumb out of the way of the blade.
So, okay, what does he mean by that? So my hand's gonna get cut off.
Yeah, you keep your hand stay in the same spot.
Okay. Even though we got soft stop?
Yeah.
Okay. How much did it cost if we got?
160.
Yeah, deep pockets, but not that kind of deep. Okay. So my left hand stays here. It pushes tight against the fence. My thumb pushes tight down.
No.
And
No.
push it in the corner of the fence.
Oh, so I'm making like this kind of corner. So my thumb is pushing down.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That makes sense.
Down in the corner.
Meow. Oh, that's right. My left hand doesn't move. Okay. You guys are good teachers. You guys should be shop teachers someday. All right. So I'll make the cut. I'm just going to do a practice round. I'll probably cut through about right there.
No.
Am I done?
Push it.
Turn it off right here.
No.
Keep pushing. Why?
Just go
Otherwise, the
all the way.
kickback will go crazy.
Oh, it looks like the board would get pinched between the blade and the fence. Yeah? Okay. So do I keep going, you say?
Yeah. Push it
Okay.
all the way through.
All right, let's start over. All right. But my board's going to fall.
That's what catch it.
Someone will catch it for me? Will you catch it for me? I know Alex. Alex is cool. We go way back. What a guy. Okay. Good. Awesome. All right. I think I'm ready. You guys think I'm ready?
Don't forget the guard.
Good man. All right.
Also, a safety stop.
A safety stop? Sure. All right. So I pull the paddle back towards me, right?
Yeah.
That turns it on. Right foot forward. Tight against the fence. Tight down. All the way through. I got to reveal something to you guys. It was actually me all along, Mr. Miller.